Hi, today's topic is my new website and webshop. It is easy to find, just write in your browser tcrasters.com and you will be there. Before I drill down in my website details and the kits what are available today, I would like a little bit talk about a small company web concepts. Many of you who are DIY guys today, probably in the future will be owners of your own companies, and probably you will grow from the small to big. It rarely happens that you will start in one day with 100 people big company. You will start as a startup, or you will start with some concept. There will be 3 friends with a bright brain and with passion, and you will start your business. And then is a good question, how to build a web. The web is critically important for small companies. No, web is critically important for all companies today. This is how you present your company. A majority of small companies building web like a business card. I had the same challenge and I thought what to do. Of course you can take some company, pay money, and they will build for you a website. You should participate, you have a concept, you have pictures, you have ideas, you talk with this company and they will do that. When you're working with external partner or external company, there is advantages and disadvantages. What is advantage? Probably time to market will be a little bit shorter. Disadvantage, you always need to ask them for a service. The service will not be available immediately. You can test ideas and some new things. You are slow to market. In that consideration, it would be much better if you have specialists inside the company. But it's too expensive to keep an IT guy or web guy for just for a small company. It's not possible. What alternatives we have? There are strong platforms like Wix, like WordPress, and there are many others. And in that case, you don't need a programming. It's like a configuration tool. You can build it by yourself. There's a learning curve about half a month, no, maybe month, because you need to do some trials and errors and other stuff. For my website, I choose Wix. And what they're saying about them? Create a website without limits. Discover is a platform that gives you the freedom to create, design, manage, and develop your web presence exactly the way you want. And this is my concept. I should admit that this motto is precise, and it is some way how we can learn how to precisely describe your value to customer. So in simple, they have a lot of designed website templates. Document 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, or a different type of that. We can learn from them, and there is plenty of support materials and you can quickly learn it. So yeah, I choose the Wix. My website is very simple. You have home, you have products, you have downloads, how to buy, contacts, video blog, shop. There's about 5 pages or even more. We started with few of them and then we grow up. So in my concept, I want to be very focused to product. Leave a little information about the company. No, there are a couple of sentences about companies, that's it. It's not important. The key importance is a products and kits. I try to build the website in a way that it is very easy to get on a point. And today I have a couple of products. If you go to the products, it comes here. A couple of pictures. And TCR 1200 DI kit, it's my flagship kit. It's built on very, very good quality Ice Power 1200 AS2 board. Also, it is compatible with Ice Power latest product, Ice Power 2000 AS2, which is kilowatt per channel board. And all harnessing is made with a capacity of 4 kilowatts. So you can use it without any modifications of wires or wire thickness or other stuff. Fantastic board, we'll talk about it a little bit later. And Ice Power 200 AS2 is a latest company development, announced recently in one of the large exhibitions, and now it is available in a retail as well. So this is flagship kit, and In a concept, there is active cooling. You can place it in anywhere in the world, even in the hot countries. You can use it, you can operate, it always will be cool. There are PWM fan and fan driver. It's temperature sensitive. When temperature goes up, the fan RPMs is going up, and you are always cool and perfect in operation. Also, this kit has consumer and professional connectors for a speaker connection, built with a taste. For those who want to know more about that kit, there is a hour-long educational type video about icepower 1200 days too. If you click on that, it goes directly to the as a dominant voice and background instruments. Or you can click watch a video and it will bring you to other video where is with a short description about that device. Another kit, TCR 200. It is a 150 watt stereo amplifier kit based on icepower 200 days 2 board. It also has very high quality music or very high quality reproduction capability, very small footprint. And anyone, if you buy a kit, all harnessing is done, you buy a board, you put it together, and you have a perfect small amplifier. There are several applications for this kit. You can use it as a stereo amplifier. It has balanced inputs, but of course you can use unbalanced as well if you properly connect it. I have videos about that. And it is meant for those guys who are working as a modern information workers. You have large table, you have personal computer with a couple of screens, you have external sound card. When you put it together, you get an absolutely excellent sound reproduction system, especially you are in near field, about 1 meter from your speakers. In non-treated room, you will have a perfect sound. You can have a perfect gaming experience, you have a perfect music experience. And if you look at the modern content like Spotify, Tidal or other service providers, Amazon, Apple, you can enjoy perfect audio. And the third kit is universal amplifier box. For example, this is meant for broader applications, but mainly for Class D amplifier boards. For example, if you buy a very nice board from Hypex, NC502, you can build a perfect stereo amplifier. It's a box. There is a cooling solution available. Currently, we are selling it in a way. No, there's a box, connectors, and small power supply. You can separate cooling circuits from your main design. It is meant that fan and fan controller you buy by yourself. Maybe in the future we will provide them as well, but currently I don't have sufficient amount in stock, so I'm not selling that. For a cooling solution, there are plenty of high quality fans in the market in PC industry. You can buy them in any place in the world for a price about 5 to 10 euros. Not always you need a PWM controlled fan. You can just set certain RPMs and that's fine. Especially for home usage, when you don't run it at the full power or home parties, it's even not necessary. To summarize, it's built especially in a way that there's a small package what you can send. You shouldn't send too much air. There are 6 independent parts what you can put together. You can process, you can use sides as well to put some fasteners or other stuff. And it's great for your projects when you need a practical chassis what you can process. Most of the cutouts are already done. If you have some additional boards, you can put them in. And for the downloads, there are some manuals I put for your convenience for most used boards. But of course you can find them in internet as well. If you click on a product, you'll go to product page where is more details about each kit, more descriptions, the same educational type videos, assembling instructions. If you put it on a link, it will bring you to the explanation video. Technical kit information and specifications, features, and some pictures for your convenience. You can see all the details about the products. How to buy? There's a small explanation how to buy, that you should go to the web shop or write me an email. Also, I made a small video about pricing terms and shipping videos. Those could change with the time being, but anyway. What is important, in my opinion, we have agreement with FedEx and offering flat rate shipping for your purchases. What conclusions we can make from that announcement? I'm not able to sell small and cheap pieces. Always the deal size should be above $100 to be reasonable, otherwise shipping is too expensive. But I find out that shipping quality is critical. I was using a cheaper post, but it's not the way how to work. Customers often write, where is your product, very long shipping times, and you need a premium company, so we signed a contract with FedEx. It's a door-to-door delivery and very good, traceable, proven quality service provider. We offer some warranties. It's more about the products what we build further. We are going to sell some integrated products as well. It's important. For the kids, it's mechanical assembling, and there's not too much about the warranty. Only if the shipping is problematic and it's damaged during the shipping, yes, we replace it. And about the contacts, there are our company contacts. After some hesitation, we put the real contacts. Yes, you get a little bit more spam, but Wix is well protected about the spam, and our mail system is from proven provider, from Microsoft. It's also working well with the spam. So we put a real information you can call. There is a contacts, and there is a active email what is checked every day. And if you don't wire through the shop, or you want to negotiate some terms, or looking for something what is not in a shop, or other stuff, just write an email, and I will do my best to answer as soon as possible, typically in 24 hours. And you can see that we are located in European Union. We are in Latvia, but the key message here is, if you are in European Union, there is now some tax and custom and other stuff. And also we have simplified procedure working with US, Canada, UK, and other countries in the world. Being in the European Union, it's a big advantage. And below here is a web form. You can use a web form if you don't want to show your to write directly to my email. Use a web form. What we need your email, name, and message. Those who work with me already know that we are relatively quick with response, and I try to do my best also with explanation and giving additional information where you can find something, where you can purchase something. And we keep a policy to be a good supporter of our customers. As a working principle, we always think the customer is right, and if you have complaints, we return the money and send another equipment if something is broken. So we try to keep kind of customer-focused attitude. In my opinion, it's important, and I know DIY guys how much effort and time they are spending, and they try to do their best, and there's a lot of place for mistakes, so we always find and think how to solve them together. About the video blog, in video blog I put most of my top videos, explanation videos about the products, about the kits, about the concepts, about many things. Yeah. Here is collected the most valuable information what I prepared through the years. Not all what I have in my YouTube channel, but those what I think has a value for you. To be honest, it takes time to develop good video, a good explanation video. You should think about the message, you should think about the topic, you should think about how to demonstrate practical things, but it pays back. Of course it pays back. And finally, shop. We are using Wix internal shop. We are paying extra money for that service. They have high quality, well protected, modern shop, and Wix is a big company. They have a lot of internal IT stuff to protect about the frauds, about your transaction. But anyway, we kept only PayPal payment. There is credit card payment as well. But currently we did not activate that, keeping the most secure transaction as a PayPal. Majority of DI guys are capable of PayPal transactions, and I think this is the most secure way how to work. And you can see that there are kits and prices. For the flagship kit TCR 1200, we have 3 versions depending on your capability and capacity. You can either buy chassis only and supply all small things by yourself, or you can buy kit with the connectors. You can buy already assembled, all harnessing done. There's a 10 minutes operation that anyone can build it. If you do fair calculation, estimating your time at least about, I don't know, 15 to 30 euros per hour worse, then definitely already finished kit is the cheapest one. It's produced in a factory, and all those small harnessings takes tons of time, and you should do it in a proper quality. But anyway, it's up to you. It's up to you which one to choose. For the smaller versions like TCR 200, we are not making such offering. This is mainly due to the transaction value. If you sell it you can't sell due to the shipping costs very cheap. So in that case, you get already assembled units. How to do transactions? Just add to cart. Let's go and see the cart. I did too many experiments. Let's remove unnecessary. And when you do the PayPal checkout, it brings you to PayPal interface. If you put a login, you will log in. And information, address, and all those fields are defined by PayPal. So, and pay with bank account or credit card is not active yet. No, it is. It's also provided by PayPal. You can pay with a credit card through the PayPal system. From here, we are already in a PayPal system. So that was in short about my new website. In the future, I will add some China products, for example, professional 3-way active crossovers. This is very, very promising area about an active speaker system, 3-way active speaker systems. I will build a video and explain this topic in the details. But if you want to move further with the quality, the active system is the only way. It's the primary way to go.